Om Swastiastu. My name is Putu Nathalia. My student number is 2215101050.
Well, my complete name is Idalia Francisca Viegas with the student number 2215101084.
Om Swastiastu. Hello, my complete name is Ivonia Fatima Viegas with the student's ID 22151010 and 85.
So hello everyone, my name is Putu Ananda Savitri with my student number 221510157.
We would like to explain about our project. This project name is Space Adventure. But in this video, I would like to explain about what is the subclass that created in this project. First, this is abstract that, as we know, that the class that cannot constructed by itself. So by the definition, we have two abstract. This is called word abstract or word class and actor class. Because by the definition, we can add a new word in this. If I'm click new latar, if I click latar, this describe that new latar can be add in the workspace. So that's why the word is called abstract. It seems like an actor. We can make a new actor, but we can also add new color. So in this game, in the word class, there are subclass like latar, menu, and in the menu class, we have subclass that call menu bantuan and menu utama. And then in the actor class, we have subclass like kalah, laser musuh, ledakan 1, ledakan 2, menang, musuh, pesawat, dan pesawat 1. Kemudian ada rudal, tombol bantuan, tombol kembali, dan tombol mulai. Okay, now I would like to demonstration this project. If I click run, in this project we can click start or we call mulai and bantuan or help. If you are in the first time to play this game, this is the rule how to play this game. This we call the enemies. This is your ship. This is the tool that you use to make move from your ship, and space for menembak. We go back from the menu class. If we click start, here we in the ship number 2, we can say, okay, in the ship 2, we have used different tools to make it moving. Like if we want to go to the right, we just click D in the keyboard. If we want to make it up, we just click W. If we want to make it left, just click A, and if we want to make it down, just click S. And if we want to make tembakan to the enemies, just click Z. So that's all for the demonstration of this game. Thank you. Next, we'll explain by my friends.
Today I'm going to explain about the concept inheritance in our project. Before that, inheritance is a concept that where new classes or subclasses can inherit attribute and method from existing classes or superclasses. And it is possible to create actors with common property and then add or modify them in their divided classes. So example, inheritance in the project where latar menu bantuan, menu utama, and kala, laser musuh, ledakan 1, 2, menang, musuh, pesawat, rudal, tombol bantuan, and tombol kembali. This is the example, the example of the inheritance that we use in the project. And let's see in the code. From the code, as we can see, the inheritance, as we can see from the extents here. If there are extents, these are represent the code related to inheritance, or and the example color is the inheritance from the actor. Inheritance from the actor. Okay, I think that's all from me. Explain about the inheritance concept in our project. Now my friend will continue.
I'm gonna continue with the with the static polymorphism, also known as compile time polymorphism, or a method overloading, and is a concept in object-oriented programming, where multiple methods in a class have the same name, but a different type or number of their parameters. And also, it isn't very clear about static polymorphism in here.
Today now I will explain about the dynamic polymorphism, which is the concept in OOP, in which the behavior of the method is select program execution time based on the actual type or the object at the time, rather than based on the type of the reference variable. This is also known as the late binding or runtime binding. In our coding, in some classes, such as like here, we can see pesawat satu. We using such an override here in several methods like act, tombol, gerak, and then check kena here. Using the override, we indicates that the method has been overridden from its parent. So there is where we use the check kena method in they use the polymorphism like check kena method, and the previous one like tombol gerak and then act that. And then in check kena method, there's a call to touching musuh class like this if it's touching musuh class, which is built-in method from the actor class. This is called test whether the rudal object or the missile object is touching the object from the musuh class. When the check kena method called, the is touching method is of the actor class is execute, but actual behavior that occur depend on the actual object type at the runtime. Like if the rudal or the missile actually touch the enemy object, then the subsequent execution will involve creating like ledakan satu object another operation, like this we can see here, ledakan satu. And then this also shown the use like a dynamic polymorphism in the context of using built-in method of the actor class, where the like resulting behavior depend on the type of the actual object, involve the calling of is touching method at the time of the programming writing.
Okay, that's all from our presentation. We would like to say thank you for your attention. We close this presentation by Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you.